What's up everybody, I'm Seth Fowler and today I'm taking a look at what I consider to be the top 10 best sneakers on sale right now. This is actually the first time I've done a video like this. It wasn't a live stream, and if you guys really like it and let me know in the comment section down below, I would definitely consider making this video like a monthly series or something like that. But before we actually jump into it, I want to give a huge thank you to the sponsor of today's video, Shoptagr. Shoptagr allows you to save items that you love on your favorite website, so when they go on sale or when they get a price cut of any kind, it notifies you both through your email and on your phone. I actually just used Shoptagr to pick up a pair of Nike Air Force One lows in Gore-Tex because they just went on sale, and that was a sneaker that I really wanted, but I didn't want to pay full retail price for. Shoptagr let me know as soon as those AF1s went on sale, so I headed over to the website and grabbed a pair. Shoptagr is super easy to use and install. All you have to do is click the link in the top of the description right down there, and that'll take you to the Google store, which will allow you to install the Shoptagr Chrome extension. Speaking of excellent sneakers that are on sale, the Air Jordan 13 in the Tiffany colorway is a sneaker that I've always wanted to pick up. And even though this shoe is on sale right now, I've tagged it with Shoptagr so that I know if it gets any more price drops. I've saved a couple things that I'm really excited about on Shoptagr, like a pair of Bose headphones, the Gore-Tex AF1s that I just talked about, and some other awesome sneakers. One of my favorite things about Shoptagr is that it actually helps you find the best deal at checkout, so no matter what, you know you're getting the best price. So if you would like to save money on stuff you were already planning to pick up anyway, make sure to check out Shoptagr by clicking the link at the top of the description. Starting things off at number 5, we've got a shoe that I just talked about saving on Shoptagr, and that's the Air Jordan 13 in the Tiffany colorway. This might actually be one of my favorite Air Jordan 13 releases of last year. It's just such a good looking sneaker, and I love the combination of black and Tiffany blue. This is sort of a special edition Air Jordan 13 because they've actually changed up the treatment on the upper of the sneaker. Instead of your standard fabric usually used on Air Jordan 13s, they've switched things up for a more textured black leather upper, which I think looks incredible. I love the fact that the Tiffany blue wraps all the way around the outsole. I think that's a super clean look, and it really pulls the shoe together. Also, that special metallic 23 Jumpman jewel on the heel is a really nice touch. If you like Air Jordan 13s or just love Tiffany colorways, in my opinion, this shoe is a must cop. And right now, this pair of Air Jordan 13s that used to retail for $200 is now on sale at finishline.com for $150. That's 25% off a solid pair of Air Jordan 13s, and it's definitely something that I would consider picking up. Coming in at number 4, we've got a pair of Adidas Young Ones in the white, glow green, and royal colorway. Recently, the Young One has been one of my favorite new silhouettes from Adidas. It's actually a reimagining of a sneaker from 1997 called the Falkendorf. The Young One pairs a really nice retro runner vibe with some of that dad shoe trend that's going on right now, and I think it's a really great combination of the two. Not only that, but the Young One is a comfortable everyday sneaker that you can dress up or dress down depending on the situation. And this light tan, blue, and green sneaker in particular is super easy to rock and is definitely a clean look. But the best part about this Young One is that right now on lapstoneandhammer.com you can get this shoe for $50 when it usually retails for $120. That's more than 50% off. If you're looking for an easy to rock, clean, everyday sneaker, this is a great option to go with. At number 3, we've got the Adidas Do N Issue 1. Donovan Mitchell's first signature shoe with Adidas is a solid on-court performer. And honestly, even at retail price, I would still say it's a good value. This performance basketball sneaker features a lightweight breathable mesh upper, which means your feet shouldn't overheat while you're wearing this sneaker. Not only that, but the DON Issue 1 also has a great herringbone traction pattern which grips the court really well. And hey, if you're a fan of Marvel, this shoe comes in a bunch of different Marvel themed colorways. The Adidas DON Issue 1 usually retails for $100, but right now on finishline.com and select colorways, you can get this shoe for $60. That's crazy. If you're looking for a solid basketball sneaker, this is definitely a great option to go with. Coming in at number 2, we've got the Nike React Element 55. React foam cushioning is one of the most comfortable cushioning setups on the market, so if you're looking for an incredibly comfortable shoe underfoot, React is a great way to go. The React Element 55 is sort of the little brother to the React Element 87, which is technically a more premium model. However, the only real difference between these two shoes are the materials used on the upper. And in my opinion, when it comes to fit, the 55 actually fits a lot more true to size than the 87, which is kind of surprising. The Nike React Element 55 has a very futuristic look and comes in a ton of different colorways. It's also a very lightweight sneaker, so if you're looking for something that you can wear all day and will be incredibly comfortable underfoot, the Nike React Element 55 is an excellent way to go. I personally love the funky look of the outsole tread. I think it makes the shoe so unique and so different. It's one of my favorite sneakers to rock on a day-to-day basis. The Nike React Element 55 usually retails for a price of $130, but right now on Nike.com you can actually grab select colorways for only $78. For that price, you could almost pick up 2 pairs in 2 different colorways for the price of 1. And then rounding off the list at number 1, we've got one of my favorite sneaker silhouettes of all time, the Adidas Ultra Boost 1.0 in Solar Yellow. A few years back, the Solar Yellow Ultra Boost 1.0 was one of the most coveted Ultra Boost colorways available. And last year, Adidas decided to retro the incredibly popular colorway along with the Solar Orange colorway, which actually is also on sale. I would genuinely say that the Ultra Boost is one of my favorite sneakers of all time. It's up there with the Bread Jordan 1s for me. It's just such an iconic sneaker, and I love the way it feels on feet. The Ultra Boost 1.0 features a prime knit upper, which is incredibly soft, breathable, and stretchy, and just feels like an extra pair of socks on your feet. And then below that, you've got the namesake of the sneaker, which is the full-length Boost midsole. Boost is one of the most comfortable cushioning setups of all time. In fact, when it's paired with the prime knit upper, I would say the Ultra Boost 1.0 is one of the most comfortable sneakers I've ever worn. And that's no exaggeration. This shoe is incredibly comfortable on feet, and it looks great as well, especially in these 2 colorways. The Adidas Ultra Boost 1.0 usually retails for a price of $189 or $190 depending on where you're buying it. But right now on endclothing.com, you can buy either one of these colorways for the crazy sale price of just $95. If you're looking for a pair of iconic Ultra Boosts, or you're just trying to grab a pair of incredibly comfortable sneakers, the Ultra Boost 1.0 in the Solar Yellow or Solar Orange colorway is definitely worth grabbing. But that wraps up my list of the top 5 best sneakers on sale right now. If you would like to see another video in this series or something similar, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you would like to keep tabs on some of your favorite things that you'd like to buy so that you know exactly when they go on sale, make sure to check out Shoptagr by clicking the link at the top of the description. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I'll see you all in the next one.